Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, arts, cuts, and everything in between can be found on my website, eileenlittlecrafter.com. Alrighty guys, so I am showing you a bit of, well, this is my small little haul from Expressions Vinyl. This is pretty cool. I didn't know they did this. They also have recommendations for your, what is this? I forgot what it's called. Printable vinyl, which I love. They give you washing, troubleshooting. They do give you a recommendation for the heat press, but not the easy press, and applications for the iron. So that's pretty cool. And this is what the actual vinyl looks like. It's just like a regular standard sheet, and it kind of has like a different background, so you know, like for my printer I would have to put this like this so that I can print on this side. You will have to get like a protective covering, one that's heat resistant, because it's, you know, a different method than HCV vinyl, like regular HCV vinyl. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. So anyways, let's get into the other vinyl that I got. This one is holographic vinyl. This is 12 by 24, and this is it's called in the color Pearl. This one, I love it. It is so cute. I'm trying to show you guys the, but not too much glare, but yeah, it gives like this really pearly color. And this is HCV. This would be the front, and then this would be the back. The dull side would be, so you would put this when you are cutting out, you put it face down like this, and yeah, so it's really pretty, and I can't wait to figure out a project for this. And yeah, so that's about it, guys. So this is from Expressions Vinyl. The sheets were, I think, doesn't say how much, I forgot, but yeah, so that's about it. Anyway, guys, you know, so I'll leave the link down below to their site. This is not sponsored in any way. I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. And if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Or you can always email me your comments or questions. My email address is Eileen@EileenLittleCrafter. Also, don't forget, guys, I'm still having that giveaway. The giveaway drawing will be the 23rd, which is this Monday coming up. So I'll leave a link down below, and in this video a card. Alrighty. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.